How to make treats for wild birds. If you would like to attract birds to your backyard, you can add bird feeders and make treats to entice the birds. Learn to make edible bird treats for your backyard feathered friends. These recipes are simple enough for any age group to enjoy and participate in. Things you will need: peanut butter, pine cones, bird seed in large bowl, sunflower seed, old dry bread or bagels, string, orange, leftover cooking fat/drippings, cornmeal cookie cutter, hammer and nail or small drill, straw. Bird treats. Make a pine cone bird treat. You will need a pine cone, string, peanut butter, cornmeal and bird seed. Tie the string around the top of the pine cone and set it aside. Place peanut butter in the microwave. The amount you use will depend solely on how many pine cones you wish to fill. Microwave only until soft. Stir some cornmeal into the softened peanut butter. Your ratio should be 1 part cornmeal to 3 parts peanut butter. You want the peanut butter to remain smooth enough to easily cover the pine cone. Roll the pine cone in the peanut butter mixture until it is completely covered, then roll the covered pine cone in the bird seed. Shake excess bird seed off while over the bowl. Set on wax paper to harden for approximately ½ hour. Hang on a tree branch or a fence for the birds. Make bird seed cakes. You will need a clean, small can with 3 small holes, evenly spaced, drilled on the sides. If you do not have a drill, you may use a hammer and a small nail to poke the holes in the can. Run a 6-inch wire or rope into each hole, then tie them together atop. This will allow for easy hanging on a feeder or tree. Take 1 cup of leftover cooking fat or grease, softened, 1 cup of cornmeal and ½ cup of peanut butter. Combine all ingredients in a saucepan and cook over medium heat until well blended. Pour the mixture into the can and let harden before hanging. You may add a small amount of bird seed to each can if desired, or leave plain. Any excess mixture can be refrigerated and used for refilling. Make orange cups. Using the same recipe as above, an orange may be substituted for the can. Simply cut an orange in half, hollow it out and attach the string or wire for hanging as explained above. Fill with the suet mixture and hang. Make birdseed cookies and donuts. Using hardened bread, use a straw to hollow out a hole on top of bread for a string. Once string is attached, put aside. If using a bagel, cut the bagel in half and run a string through the hole. Microwave 1 cup of peanut butter in a bowl until just softened. Add ½ cup of cornmeal and ½ cup of birdseed. Mix well, and spread mixture on the bread or bagel halves. Hang on a tree or fencing if it is a dry day. If it is humid or there is a chance of rain, these treats are best served by laying them on a feeder, as they will break up and crumble. Sit back, relax and enjoy watching the birds as they take delight in the treats you put out for them.